setting up smart legal structures. I would like to say before we say anything else, we're not attorneys. You should talk to one. They're licensed in your state. They know exactly what to do there, or your country for that matter. You may not even be in the US.
Right.
Which is cool. All right, here's the goal of a smart legal structure. You want to own a business that is the right sort of corporate format. These are things like sole proprietorships, LLCs, C Corp, S Corp, so on and so forth. And the idea here is that hopefully you're being a very good steward of the business world and you treat your customers correctly, but if you run across the wrong one and they sue you, you want to have the legal structure to back that up so that they don't end up owning your house and your cars and your kids' college fund. And so to do all those things, you need to speak to an attorney. But it is a very important part of running a successful business, so don't skip that one. Even if you're already in business, what if you did it on, I don't know, some website like LegalZoom or something? You should really talk to an attorney and have that reviewed. I can't stress that highly enough.
That's so true. There's so many of these websites like LegalZoom where you can do it really fast, and it's like the quick way to do things, which is never usually a good idea. And a lot of times, like I've done this in the past where I've set these up, and an attorney looks at it and they're like, whoa, this is not going to work. Like, this is wrong. If you actually did have something happen to your business, you're screwed because you set up your company in a way that doesn't protect you. And so there's something in business called a corporate veil, and you want to not have anything be able to pierce that corporate veil by setting up certain structures that basically remove you from that and remove risk and do certain things so that you're not ruining the structure that you have that protects you. And so a lot of people don't think about this stuff, but like, as you grow especially, you want to think about this because we live in a very litigious society. People like to sue you. Just pretend that someone's going to sue you at some point and what's going to happen. And if you plan for the worst to happen, you're going to be in a good spot.
Yeah.
So
talk to a lawyer.
Talk to a lawyer. There you go.